Data Protection Plan, a guide. As more individuals and businesses store their data online or on devices, safeguarding it has become a top priority. Hi, I'm Megan with Ninja One. Today I'll discuss how to set up a data protection plan for your organization that not only safeguards your organization's critical information, but also ensures business continuity in the face of cyber threats or data loss. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe now to our IT Video Hub and YouTube channel, so you never miss out on smart IT tips and powerful solutions from Ninja One. What is a data protection plan? A data protection plan aims to safeguard critical sensitive data, which can include personal information and organizational data. It must be aligned with the organization's data protection policy, a guideline that standardizes the protocols and execution of data privacy and protection. Having one isn't just a matter of security, but also compliance. Laws such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, empower individuals to control their data when companies and organizations collect it. Therefore, businesses are legally responsible for managing and protecting such data. 8 steps to form a data protection plan. Here are 8 essential steps to help you build a complete data protection plan. Step 1. Decide what data to protect. First, identify which data will be covered by your plan, especially those involving business operations, personal information, and other forms of sensitive data. Step 2. Know the regulations. Next, carefully review the rules and regulations on data privacy to align them with your plan. Step 3. Choose a backup type and schedule. And then, choose a backup type, full, incremental, or differential, that best suits your organization's safeguarding needs. Plan your backup schedule and automate the process to reduce lapses from human error. Step 4. Organize the data. Also, make data accessible, easy to find, and efficient for restoration through proper organization. Step 5. Control access to data. Next, designate access to select individuals and ensure data is only made available on a need-to-know basis. Step 6. Make a plan for data restoration. Finally, prepare for the possibility of your data getting lost, stolen, or hacked by including a restoration plan, i.e., backup, logistics, etc. Step 7. Document data protection plan. Awareness is key, so communicate with your team members by sharing the protocols, steps, tools, data organization, and more. Step 8. Continually monitor the data. Finally, monitor all processes to ensure your plan is running in order and ready for any problems. A comprehensive and effective data protection plan should always empower users to take control of their critical data and enable IT teams to comply with standards to the T. With Ninja One's backup solution, your team can always be ready to back up and restore essential organizational information. Click the link below to start your 14-day free trial today. Be sure to subscribe now to our IT Video Hub and YouTube channel, so you never miss out on smart IT tips and powerful solutions from Ninja One.